Hey, I was looking on the internet, curious if somebody had took the Hum X by Verizon apart. Didn't see anything, so thought I'd take it apart. And it wasn't meant to be taken apart, by the way, as you can see by the casing there. So anyway, those are the pins that go into the ODB2 port. Kind of basic. I haven't stripped that down yet to see if the SIM is embedded or if you can actually take it out. That'll be in the next step. But I thought it was interesting. As you can see over here, I'm not connected to it, but I'll plug it into this adapter that I made. Basically, it's just using the power and grounds. Pin 16, pins 4 and 5 are ground, so nothing fancy. So. Remember where I line these up? And it does beep when you plug it in. So that's powered up, beeped, all that good stuff. Come over here, wait for it to pop up here in this list. Do a refresh here. And you can see there's the Hum X now. Gosh, what's the password? I made that. Whoop, and yeah, back. Alright, so we're connected. Let's go over here and there you go. So technically you could rig this to be just a hotspot. I just thought it was interesting that you could actually do that. I didn't really have a use for this. It's still activated, but I was thinking about just upgrading it to a regular line or disconnecting it. So